Good afternoon, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, July 2nd. We're looking at window traders' market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, a banner day for the bulls again. ES comes out of an inside day to the upside, all-time high. Goes out with a double distribution day, an afternoon pullback, and a price probe. They're up on all three of their indices. NQ goes out with a double distribution day, an 11-wide point of control, an afternoon pullback, a very minuscule price probe. They are still in balance on the daily, though. Okay, they're in a 4-day balance. Yesterday's low is our balance low. Monday's high is the balance high. Okay, so keep that in mind. Righty. The mighty righty held yesterday's double distribution day and ends up with a triple distribution day up today and a price probe. They're now up on all three time frames. So the only time frame that's not up right now out of our three indices is NQ's daily. We hit all-time highs in the SPY, ES, and SPX. So again, the market is chugging along to the upside. Yesterday's day with the lower value and total disconnect from ES, at least for yesterday, was an anomaly that just is over. Bears had their chance this morning. The overnight low in NQ is below yesterday's low. They opened below value. And look, straight up. So no follow through after yesterday. So the bull is firmly in control. And because of that, it was especially in the morning. A through E was a very accommodating morning. I did nothing but long against ebb and flow, turnovers, A's high, overnight high, and IB high. Okay? Plain and simple. Actually, I take that back. I missed the overnight high. It popped at that point. Yes, I did miss that. But everything else I got. The afternoon became very choppy in NQ. I actually got long in ES in G period to get their overnight high. They didn't get it, but I took it off a very small. I was getting very impatient. And then they ended up getting it in K period. The only other trade now, so I took a short in H to stop the one-time framing up. I thought at some point we were going to stop it. We did. And then I had bids in below in NQ. Never got them. Not far from where H got to. Didn't get it. Again, in I, never get it. So I missed the afternoon pullback. I was just looking for a little more of a push down. Not much of one, but never got there and went without me. And that was really it. After that, really was very choppy overall in NQ. We have nice excess. We had a nice buy tail today. Okay. However, the excess from Monday, for now, is still holding. Remember, excess ends one, auction begins another. And it did. We went down, right? We closed below it on Monday. Tuesday went totally down, had low value. Now today, we took all Tuesday back. We haven't taken back that excess yet. Will they? I think they will. We're hitting on all cylinders here. That's why I said early in the week, I do not believe it's long-term excess. But it remains to be seen. Righty also is above the 200-day moving average for the last couple of days. And the Dow is even starting to close in on their all-time highs. So the market is hitting right now on all cylinders. And then on the chart, so here you go. We're one-time framing up 3 months after an incredible rally off of April's lows. That's impressive. On the monthly. The weekly, up, same thing. Outside, week up, don't forget. And the daily is one time framing up in ES 8 days now. The inside day didn't stop it. So 7 days. I'm sorry. 7 days with one time framing up. So volume today, 65 million. That's another comment I made in the room. We're averaging 69. We're going to do just a little bit below average. Triple Q is going to do definitely more than a little bit. They're only at 35. Their average is 45. But we did see in the past with these all-time high grinds, volumes in the 20s and 30s. So at least it's not great volume by any stretch, but at least it's a little better than what we've seen in the past as we've gone to all-time highs. We'll recap the day and the week tomorrow. Remember, it's a short day, but you do have non-farm payroll out at 8:30. I will be here in trading. I won't be here Friday, even though the futures are trading. Whenever the NYSE is closed, I am not here. So I hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.